Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. So we put the power 3 for the both sides, so we can cancel about the root, and we have 3 plus x squared. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have 3u squared du equals to 2x dx. Because we don't have number 2 in here, so we divide both sides by number 2. So this one we change for u. S ds we change for this one. So we have number 5 multiplied by 3 over 2. We will have about 15 over 2. U and u squared, we have u to the power of 3. The integral of u to the power of 3, we have u to the power of 4 over 4, and we put about c. Number 2 and number 4, we have 8. About u, that's about this one. And this is the final answer. Question number 2, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to s minus 3. So we do first the derivative for the both sides. So this one we change for u. The s we change for du. And now we can get the final answer. The integral of u to the power of 5 over 2, we have u to the power of 5 over 2 plus 1 over 5 over 2 plus 1, and we put about c. And this one is about 7 over 2. This one is about 7 over 2. About u, that is about this one. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to the square root of 2x plus 3. So we put the square for the both sides, so we have 2x plus 3. Next, we do first the derivative for the both sides, so we have 2u du equals to 2 dx. We divide both sides by number 2. The square root we change for u. The s we change for this one. U divided by u. This one we have negative number 3u plus c. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.